Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling what the AI needs now. Pick 5 clear photos with similar lighting and open your chosen AI editor. Load reference images and create a simple mask where edits belong. This tells the model what to change versus preserve. Next, input a concise target prompt describing style, subject, and mood, then set seed, strength, and size parameters. Once done, run a low-resolution test pass to confirm composition before committing to full quality. This saves time and GPU. You now refine the middle steps. Tweak model strength depending on how much change you want. Lower values preserve original detail, higher values replace it. Run an initial low-res pass, inspect edges and facial landmarks, then update masks and prompt specifics. Mention clothing, lighting direction, or color palette. Once satisfied, perform iterative passes increasing resolution gradually and use an upscaler if available. Make sure to save intermediate checkpoints so you can revert if a pass drifts from the intended look. You finish by exporting the highest quality version, keeping a layered PSD or version copies for adjustments. Apply final color grading and local healing to fix small AI artifacts, then sharpen selectively. If you see glitches, revert to the last checkpoint, lower edit strength, or tighten your mask. Alternatively, blend the AI edit with the original photo to preserve realism. Finally, verify usage rights and model licenses. Make sure permissions are clear before sharing or selling the edited images.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.